Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe. Today's class we are going to learn distribution function. Already you studied for discrete random variable. What is the formula? F of x is equal to probability capital X less than or equal to small x, that is equal to for all x belongs to R. Okay, here we use total, we use the summation, we have to add the probabilities. But for continuous random variable, f of x is equal to the same thing, but here we are going to use integration, minus infinity to x f of t dt. Okay, and we are going to use some more result here, and f of minus infinity is 0. F of plus infinity is 1. It starts with 0 and end with 1. It is an increasing function because the value is increases. Okay, so increases, or you can say non-decreasing function. So f dash of x is equal to f of x. Suppose if you differentiate distribution function, you will get density function. Now if you want to find the probability, you have to find out f of b minus f of a. Now let us see the problem. Suppose the life in hours of a radio tube has the following probability density function. F of x is equal to 100 by x square whenever x is greater than or equal to 100. That is equal to 0 when x is less than 100. The function is defined like this. Ask you to find the distribution function. First you write the formula. F of x is equal to what? Probability capital X less than or equal to small x, which is minus infinity to x f of t dt. But anyway my function here is defined from what? 100. So I am going to write here 100 because x is greater than or equal to 100. Therefore 100 to x, 100 by t square dt. And you learn these three formulas: integral x power n dx, 1 by x power n dx, and 1 by x dx. And here what is the formula? Integral x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Power you have n plus 1. Coming to the second one, minus 1 by x power n means minus 1 by n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1. And this formula, when n is equal to 1, you should not apply, because when you use n equal to 1, it becomes 0. Okay, denominator should not be 0. Therefore, suppose when n is equal to 1, you have to use the formula log x. Okay, learn these three formulas. Now 100 into 1 by t square, because constant, so I am writing outside. Okay, 1 by t square into dt. Okay, now 100 into, and what is the limit here? 100 to x. Okay, I write 100 to x, and after you do the integration, it becomes minus 1 by t, 100 to x. Now apply the upper limit. Upper limit means what? Here x, so which is minus 1 by x plus minus into minus 1. When you are substituting the lower limit, 1 minus, here 1 minus, 2 minus become plus, so which is 1 by 100. T is replaced by x and t is replaced by 100. Okay, so after that, if you take 100 inside, what will happen? Plus into minus, minus. Okay, minus 100 by x. 100 into 1 by 100 is 1. So 1 minus 100 minus x. Now you are going to write the answer like this. Capital F of x is equal to 1 minus 100 by x when x greater than or equal to 0. When x is greater than or equal to 100, not 0, it is 100. Okay, now it is 0 when x is less than 100. Okay, when x is less than 100. Okay, now look at the next problem. Suppose that the time in minutes that a person has to wait at a certain station for a train is found to be, okay, he is waiting and it's given in a function like this. So ask you to check whether the function is continuous. If it is continuous, ask you to find the probability density function. Density function or probability density function. And here one more subdivision is asked. What is the probability the person will have to wait more than 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes, and then between 1 and 3 minutes? Now look at the first case. How will you prove it is continuous? The function should continuously exist between the limit. See, look at the value here. It starts with 0 and end with more than 4. Okay, so f of x is continuous as it is defined for all the values of x. So for each and every value you have the f of x. Okay, so therefore it is continuous. Even if you plot the point also, the graph will come continuously. There will not be any breaking. Okay, suppose if I want to find small f of x, what is the formula you will apply? If you want small f of x, you have to differentiate. Okay, you have to, from here to here means integration, from here to here in from f of x to capital F of x is integration, from capital F of x to small f of x means it is differentiation. Okay, you have to do the differentiation. Now the next step will be, see what is this going to be? F of x is equal to, so f of x is equal to, and you have to go for differentiation. What is the derivative of the first term? Will be 0. X by 2 derivative will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 differentiation constant, it is 0. X by 4 differentiation is 1 by 4. 1 differentiation will be 0. As you know before, d by dx of x power n is nx to the power of n minus 1. Okay, power will go in decreasing order. 1 means 0, it is a constant, so x means 1, x square means 2x. Okay, like this it will go for differentiation. When you are differentiating, the power will go in decreasing order. Okay, this is the density function. Okay, if you differentiate this, you are getting one function that is called the density function. There last time we have done integration, and here since you are finding out small f of x, we are going on differentiation. One big advantage is in the probability, if you want to find out directly, you can use it. You need not do differentiation, you need not do integration. Suppose if the f of x is given, directly if you apply the values, you will get the probability. Let me see one by one. Now look at this. What is the B portion? The first part is ask you to find the probability more than 3 minutes. More than 3 minutes means what? So 3 up. Okay, 3 onwards. Okay, 3, if you draw the real line 3, so you want more than 3, and the last number you take it as infinity, because the function is x is greater than or equal to 4, the last number. So therefore I am taking the upper limit to be infinity. So if I want to find out now 3 to infinity, upper number minus lower number. So f of infinity minus f of 3. So what is the result that you learned? F of infinity is 1. 3. Where it lies 3 here? Can you check? See, it lies in x by 4. It lies in x by 4. So you replace x as 3. So it is what? 3 by 4. So 1 minus 3 by 4 will be 1 by 4. Now I am going to look at the next probability. Next probability is what? Less than 3 minutes. So less than 3 minutes means what? So first you draw the less than 3 minutes means the last number should be 3. Maximum number should be 3, and here it is minus infinity. Okay, minus infinity to 3, because the maximum number is 3. So other side would be what? Minus infinity. So I want to find the probability here. So what will happen? Upper number f of 3 minus f of infinity. What is f of 3 will be? F of 3 lies here, so it is 3 by 4, and f of minus infinity is 0. Therefore 3 by 4 minus 0, which is 3 by 4. Okay, now we are going to find the third portion. Third portion asks you to find the probability between 1 and 3 minutes. So probability A less than or equal to x less than or equal to b is f of b minus f of a, and here it is, what is a bigger number? F of 3 minus f of 1. If both are numbers means you can write the bigger number minus smaller number. If it is greater than less than means you use the infinity notation. Okay, you draw the real line, you shade the portion upper minus lower, like that you have to do. So what is f of 3? 3 lies here. Okay, in x by 4. So it is 3 by 4. F of 1, where it is f of 1? Here and here you have 1, but here only 1 is less than or equal to. So you should write 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Don't write this number, but anyway, even if you write there also it will come 1 by 2, but you have to take it from here. So 3 by 4 take LCM. So if you want to make the denominator 4, what will happen? Into 2 into 2. So 3 minus 2 will be 1 by 4. So this is the answer for this problem. Okay, now look at this question. Okay, and here it's given the length of the time the person talking by phone is given by the equation f of x equal to a e power minus x by 5 for x is greater than or equal to 0 or 0 otherwise. Ask you to find the value for a. Actually, similarly they ask you to find the probability. What is the difference between the previous and this? And here it is small f, there it is capital F. Okay, we will see even this model also one. And moreover here we are using e power x. Okay, e power x means the formula will be when you are integrating or differentiate, you will get e power x itself. When you differentiate, when you integrate, you will get e power x. Only thing is you have the coefficient there. Okay, you have the coefficient here. Let me see how to do this problem. Solution: plus infinity to plus infinity, f of x dx is equal to 1. Okay, my function is defined 0 to infinity. So write the constant a outside, e to the power of minus x by 5 dx is equal to 1. What is integral e power x dx is equal to e to the power of x. And what is another formula? E to the power of ax dx, which is e to the power of ax divided by a. Okay, you have to divide. So apply the formula. If you apply the formula, what will happen? So a is outside, e to the power of minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5 between the limit 0 to infinity is equal to 1. Now even if you want, you can take the constant outside. Minus 1 by 5 becomes minus 5a. Okay, 5 will go to the numerator. So e power minus infinity minus e to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So what is this? E power minus 5a into e power minus infinity is 0. E power infinity is infinity. E power minus infinity is 0. E power 0. Power 0 means value is 1. So minus 5a into minus 1 equal to 1. So minus into minus plus. So 5a is equal to 1. This implies a is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Now next part of the question, B, first portion, ask you to find the probability that the number of minutes that person will talk is more than 10 minutes. So more than 10 minutes means what? Draw the real line. Okay, my function is defined greater than 0, so therefore 0 to infinity. Here it is 10. So I want to find the probability here. Therefore I should write 10 to infinity f of x dx, and f of x value we know, a value is 1 by 5 e to the power of minus x by 5 into dx. Okay, now if you integrate, so what will happen? 1 by 5 into e to the power of minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5 as usual. Okay, so between the limit 10 to infinity, and you can cancel 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So this minus I am going to write outside. Suppose if I write outside minus, so what will happen? E to the power of minus infinity upper limit minus lower limit. What is the lower limit here? Here the lower limit is 10. Okay, so lower limit e to the power of minus 10 by 5. Okay, 10 by 5, which is equal to minus into minus plus, therefore e to the power of it is minus 2. So you want to make the power positive. What will you write? 1 by e square. Clear, children? Answer for this problem 1 by e square. And the homework you have to consider the second part and the third part. When x is less than 5, between 5 and 10, you have to find the probability. Here the function is defined. So maximum number is 5. So maximum number should be written in the upper limit, and here the lower limit will be 0 because the function is defined only when x greater than 0. Okay, similarly when you come to this between numbers means no problem. You have to find out 5 to 10 f of x dx. Everything same, only the limit will change in each part. Okay, clear, children? Thank you. Have a good day. We'll see you on Friday.